Yo, what's up, fam? It's your boy James. Today we're going to be looking at real estate property and how you can invest here in Ghana. As you can see right behind me, we got a property that's being built. We might have to go ahead and check that out, but today that's what we're going to be looking at. So like and subscribe. Right here are type of structure houses that are being built. As I'm just walking down the neighborhood, just certain type of structure houses that are being built. Just checking it out real quick. Just structure houses. So we might be checking out that type of structure house. Got it. How many bedrooms?
4 bedrooms.
It's a 4-bedroom house. How many baths?
5 bathrooms.
4 bedroom, 5 bathrooms? Hey, okay.
There's hall.
So we enter in.
There's hall. And the hall.
This is the hall.
Visitors washroom.
This is the hall with the washroom.
Washroom.
It's still being built, so
You can enter this. We are not done. We are not done with this.
yeah, you're not done. I see that. Okay. Yeah, y'all got the windows and all of that. This is the living room, everybody. They're still building. See it, they got the landscape and everything. Real builders.
This is the master bedroom.
This is the master bedroom. As you can see, they already put some of the tile down. Right here.
This is the washroom.
And this is the washroom for the master bedroom. It's pretty big. Yeah, look nice. Okay. So we got the master bedroom and the washroom. Now we headed. Okay. It's like a hallway.
Another bedroom.
This is another bedroom right here.
Washroom.
And its own little washroom. So every room got its own private bathroom.
Sure, please.
Yeah, okay.
The third room.
Third
The
room.
house.
They got the third bedroom. So,
Yeah.
hey. Sorry, right here. In the bathroom. So every room got its own little.
And there's the third, the fourth one.
Okay.
There's a washroom.
So who's the owner?
The owner is there, but I'm taking care.
You are taking care?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whatever it is, you will discuss it.
Yeah.
Confirm to the owner.
You're the builder. You're the designer. You conduct
And
it all.
then there's the kitchen.
And this is the kitchen.
There's the kitchen.
And then out here, it's like a little balcony patio type. Okay. Nice. So is this like a rental property he's building?
Yeah.
Cause I see every room got a little bathroom, so it looks like he's finna build it, rent it out.
Sure.
It's nice. Okay, there you have it. Got your 4-bedroom, 5-bedroom house. And here's the compound up front.
You have your tap.
Okay. As you can see, a lot of people are building out here. Got the blocks over there. Appreciate it. Thank you.
You're
Madassa.
welcome. Well, you're welcome.
Madassa.
I'm confident.
Confidence?
Yes.
Oh, I like that name, Confidence. So there you have it, fam. 4-bedroom, 5-bath. All right, so they got me walking on the streets or the roads of Ghana. I'm just checking out more properties, walking around, checking out more properties, because there's so many properties out here. You know what I'm saying? You look left, you got a property. You look right, you got a property. And somebody is building. That's Ghana for you, building. The country is rising, it's coming up. So you can come out here anytime and build your castle. Look like it's a mango tree over there. Let me see. Full grown mango tree over there. Look nice. Okay, look like a little hospital, little private hospital, looks like. And then got these style houses that'll go all the way down. Yeah, this area right here is developing area. They're building and building. In about a few years, all this stuff is gonna be built up, looking real nice, and you know, so now is the time to take opportunity to buy a plot of land and get it going. You know what I'm saying? Got the hospital right here. Got the little shops. Let's look at these shops. Got a little shop here. So as you can see with these houses right here, they built the exact same houses and they go all the way down and they are selling it. You can buy your estate right here. Buy you a little piece of land property and it goes from here all the way down to here. It's pretty nice. Already built houses. Got their little private sectors, fenced in, whatnot. These houses are pretty close to each other, but they don't have to be close to each other. You can build you a nice little house out away from a lot of things, and a lot of people have that too. So it's just whatever style you want. You can do and whatever you want depending on your means and you know what you're trying to do. It can be done over here in Ghana. So if you like that, just hit the like button and subscribe and I'll show you some more. Kamasi, we're going to check out this beautiful looking property. As you can see, the landscape, we got the workers working out right here. So we're going to go inside. Let's roll. Cool. So you're coming into the house right here, and then first thing you're going to hit is the hallway. Right now they got a lot of construction going on. They're still building, so it's still in process of getting to where it needs to be. So right here is the hallway. You can get all of that, nice walls, everything. And then you enter in the kitchen. So the hallway goes straight into the kitchen right here. It's a very, very big kitchen, as you can see. And it looks like it leads to the back. So this is a 2-story house. Here is maybe dining, So this looks like it's a little dining room, so it's like a living room, dining room, kitchen. Right when you come into the house, if you can see all of this structure. When you come this way, here you got a private toilet and bath right here. Get some of this tile. This is a very nice tile that they're laying down here. And then here, you're coming in. Is this the master bedroom or no? So we just got a bedroom right here. A little bedroom. And there's private toilet and bath right here. They're still building, so a lot of.
So we are going to the middle.
Okay. So this is the first floor we're looking at right now.
We are going to the second floor.
And we about to head to the second floor. As you can see the staircase. There's the front door where we just came in at. And then now we're coming around going to the staircase, get all that staircase. It's very nice tile, I like it. Oh man. So we go up 3, huh? So it's a 3-story building, not a 2-story. I thought it was a 2-story. Okay, so we're going to the second floor.
Here's the bedroom.
So we got a bedroom on the second floor, right here. Bedroom on the second floor, right here. And the toilet and bathroom, private toilet and bath. As you can see, they already got the tile laid out and everything. Look very, very nice. So, hey, appreciate it. I'm on the bedroom. And then you got another bedroom over on this side. Got another bedroom on this side.
Here's toilet.
Got this toilet and bath. It looks like they already got the door here. So that's pretty nice. Got the workers laying down the tile on the floor. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? We got some Ghanaian master workers right here. You know what I'm saying? So if you want them to build your house, if you want them to bring work to you, you know what I'm saying? Shout out to me and I'll get their contact. And y'all feel stay in touch with me.
And the third bedroom on the second floor.
So they got 3 rooms on the second floor. Oh, this is nice. Come on.
So it's a mother.
They already got the bedroom set up in here. And look at this toilet and bath up in here. Very nice. That's clean. Very, very nice. How long has the person been building this property?
I don't know.
You don't know their length? Okay. Is he giving this house for rent or is this a private house or sale? What?
Storeroom.
This is a storeroom right here. Okay, we got a storeroom.
Bedroom.
And looks like it's like a living room. So looks very, very nice. So just check it out. Very, very cool.
We are going to the third floor.
So now we finna head to the 3rd floor. You got the workers in here building and I'll be showing you guys this. They done did a very, very nice job, so. I will let you guys know their company when it's all said and done. So we're on the 3rd floor now, gentlemen, and we're heading into the master bedroom. Okay. Look at this. This is nice. The master bedroom, looking over everything. Okay. Look at it. And the toilet and bath, man, this is a big bathroom. This is a big, very big bathroom. You know what I'm saying? You could throw a party in this bathroom. That's how big it is. Very nice. That's how the master bedroom should be. You know what I'm saying? And then it looked like they got a little private balcony.
Maybe this one is the storeroom.
Yeah, it looks like a storeroom right here. That's nice, that's very nice. Look at this.
Balcony.
Private balcony right here. It looks like you can walk all the way through.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? And he can look over everybody and everything. You know what I'm saying? So he don't got the rails up here, so you gotta be very careful.
So another a master bedroom on there.
So there's another master bedroom on the other side. Nice. Get this down. Come on this way too. So what is all this right here for a second? What is?
Oh, this is concrete tiles.
Okay.
We use
Okay.
some materials to do it. This is the rubber one on the down, flat one. We use to turn on the concrete. So it can get the shape you like.
Nice. Very nice. So they gonna have like.
We have many colors you want. So we put artificial glass on the middle side. That one we will not do this at this time. If we finish all, then we do that one.
Nice. So it looks like
I can show you.
You do for one watching.
Oh.
Yeah, that's very nice. So we're gonna go into the other side now. It's the other part of it. This is the first side on the third floor.
Master bedroom on the last floor.
Then you got another master bedroom right here. So you got two master bedrooms on the top floor, penthouse basically. And then the big old bathroom too. I know you people over there in America would love this big old bathroom. We love these bathrooms, so check it out. Like I said, I will get all the information of the builders so that y'all can contact them if y'all come to Ghana and want to build.
Okay, so we can go.
So now we headed back down. I'll get all y'all contact information in a little bit. All right.
This door you can do.
This door right here.
There's a little hallway back there. Like the same one.
Okay. So on the bottom floor, this is like the hallway to the back door, to the backyard. To the backyard, that's what we call it in the U.S. in the backyard. So this is the back, pretty much of the house. If you come out this way,
So here is the garden.
the kitchen. If you can see,
Here is the garden.
right here is a garden.
We put it on the concrete. Then we use the thing to turn on it.
So like this is the design of the
If we-
floor, the
yeah.
ground.
If we remove this, that shape will come.
Okay, nice. So look at this property. You have the garden that they're doing right here. And then right here, they're laying out the ground, the tile.
So this space, you put green grass on the.
Oh, y'all putting green grass over here. So it's
After
gonna
we
look real
finish,
nice.
you wash it and paint it.
Okay, nice. Okay, so this is pretty much the layout of the property. They're still building. It's all in it. What's my guy's name? What's your name?
My name is Isaac Okwesi-Patton.
So this is Isaac. What's your company's name where you can get a hold of it, guys?
I don't, this house is not rebuilding. We are
The floor,
yeah.
the ground in. Okay, so if you guys like the flooring of this house, you'll get in contact with Isaac, and I'll put all his information on the description down below. And I'm out.